Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we have this platform called ContentBot.ai, and this is the best AI content automation platform. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this site. Now you know how important automation is, and if you are looking for an all-in-all platform for each and every type of feature, this is the one that you can access. Now on the dashboard you can see we have our prompt library, and using this you can create different type of text and prompts, like for example your Instagram captions. You have your expand text, blog posts, answer questions, and much more. So the list goes literally so much more that you can not even try that in one day. So after that you can see you have your flow builder. So those guys who are used to Zapier, which is an automation workflow tool, are going to be really loving this feature because it provides you an automation integrated with various different aspects, like for example SEMrush, WordPress, Twitter, and ChatGPT as well. So now if you head back, you will be able to see on the dashboard some of the other features, like for example your landing page builder. You can do that as well if you want to import your CSV files, and they have other tools as well, so you can give it a try to that as well, like for example your instruct bot, flows importer, AI writer, and much more. So definitely a gold mine if you are looking for AI content automation. So make sure to give it a try. For some reason, if you are still unsure about the platform, let me give you in-depth best content AI creator I've used thus far, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, and I'm sure you will be loving this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as well and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive rewards using the link in the description. So see you in the next video.